Guys, you have to see this YouTube channel. It only has 76,000 subscribers, and most of its videos barely crack 500 to 1,000 views. Sounds pretty average, right? Well, here's the twist. It's an Indian channel. And when you see how much it's earning, you're going to question reality. I mean, seriously, is this channel secretly printing money? So this guy just casually reveals the earnings from her YouTube video. And wait till you hear this. One of her videos got only 9.9k views. Sounds normal, right? But from that, she pulled in 257 watch hours, gained 55 new subscribers, and the real jaw-dropper. She made $22 from that one video. Yeah, you heard me. $22. Then she reveals her RPM, and it's around $2. What kind of YouTube sorcery is this?
इस वीडियो का वो है $2.08 का, मतलब 1000 व्यूज अगर इस वीडियो पर मेरी आ रहे हैं ना, तो मुझे $2 से भी ज्यादा यहाँ पर।
I know what you're thinking right now. How is this even possible? Don't worry, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start YouTube automation from scratch. No face reveal, no voice, no camera, no mic, zero fancy equipment needed. All you need is a phone and the internet. Yes, the same internet you're using to watch this video. But hey, if you still don't know what the internet is, try turning off your Wi-Fi and mobile data. You'll find out real quick. Alright folks, buckle up. Because what I'm about to show you might just make your jaw drop and your grandma start a YouTube channel. Now look at this channel right here. Bam! 3 million subscribers. Yeah, you heard that right. 3 million. That's more people than I've ghosted on WhatsApp, and guess what? Every single video gets over 50,000 views. That's like if a small city decided, you know what? Let's all watch this guy talk about success for 10 minutes. This channel is in the motivational niche. You know, the kind of videos that scream at you to wake up at 4 a.m. and conquer the world while you're still in bed with chips on your chest. And the best part? Making these videos is easier than pretending to be productive on Zoom. No camera, no microphone, no voice, no problem. AI does everything. You just sit back and pretend you're working hard. But don't take my word for it. Let's watch an example video and see how they're turning inspirational quotes into cold, hard views.
There's a war going on. The war in your head. Strength versus weakness. Long-term success versus short-term gratification. Building versus decaying. And what's hard about this war is it is you. Both sides. You against you.
It's you against you out there.
If you wake up tomorrow morning and blame your
Alright guys, let's spy on this YouTube channel's monthly views. Don't worry, we're doing it legally, I think. This channel pulled in 4 million views in just 28 days. 4 million. That's not views. That's basically a small country tuning in. The motivational category is massive, like Tony Robbins riding a rocket, kind of massive. Now let's start making our video. First things first, we need a script. So head over to chatgpt.com. Yes, that's me. Hi. And type something like, "Hey ChatGPT, give me a motivational speech that'll make people want to conquer the world." Boom! Watch it go brrr as it starts typing out pure inspiration. If you're feeling wild, you can also try other AI tools like Gemini or Grok, or whatever other cool-sounding robots are out there. Once you've got your masterpiece, it's time to give it a voice. Head to 11 Labs, not 11 from Stranger Things, sadly, and paste that script in. Click Generate. Wait a sec, and bam! Your motivational voiceover is ready. Download it like it's a hot mixtape. Alright, we've got the voiceover ready, but right now it's just a lonely voice floating in silence. That's sad. Let's give it some vibes. Head over to a magical place called chosic.com. It's like a buffet of copyright-free music. Pick your flavor. Epic, chill, dramatic, or I'm about to change the world type beats. Download the one that makes your brain go yes. Now let's make it look good. Head over to Pixabay or Pexels and grab some stock video footage. Mountains, people running, eagles flying, someone staring thoughtfully into the distance. You know, motivational stuff. Download a few clips and you're set. We have got everything now, let's edit our video. Now it's editing time, baby. Open up your editing app. I'm using InShot because it's simple, clean, and doesn't make my brain hurt. Create a new project. Slap in that stock video footage you downloaded. Yes, the dramatic mountain shot and that person staring into the sunset. Classic. Now go artsy. Make the video black and white by tweaking the effects. Boom, instant cinematic vibes. Next, drag in that background music. But hey, don't blast it like a party. Set the volume to around 10 to 20% so it's chill and our motivational speech isn't fighting for attention. Now for the grand finale. Add in your shiny new voiceover. Sync it up, take a deep breath, and hit export. And that's it. Let's check out the final result, and try not to cry from how inspirational it is.
Ladies and gentlemen, they say time is money, and they're absolutely right. Every second you waste is a coin you'll never get back. Unlike money, you can't earn more time. Once it's gone for good. Successful people don't have more hours in a day. They just use theirs wisely. So ask yourself, are you spending your time or are you investing it? You don't need to be perfect. You just need to stop procrastinating and start prioritizing. Every small, consistent action adds up. Time doesn't wait for you, so don't wait to chase your goals. Make every minute count, because your future is being written